Hello, you beautiful people. My name is Ellen, and I'm going to clean this dirty Contura today. Come along for the ride. This Contura fireplace was bought in, I think it was in 2012, and it's situated in our cabin in Norway, Lillesand. And it has given us many hours with beautiful, beautiful fire and given us warmth and a cozy place to rest. To clean out the fireplace, I'm using a spade and a brush, and I'm also using a tin bucket. And that's because if some of the ashes still is hot, I have to make sure that I'm not using, for instance, a plastic bucket, then the bucket will melt. So it's important that you make sure that the ashes are really cold and the fire is really out. Or if it's not completely cold yet, then you have to use a metal bucket. For you beautiful people that are watching me clean out this dirty, dirty Contura, I hope that you click like on this video and maybe also subscribe to my channel. That will really help my channel grow. Thank you so much. Now back to the cleaning. Here I am cleaning out the shelf underneath the fireplace. It's really important to remember that one as well. I'm banging it with my brush so that I'm making sure that almost everything is getting into the bucket. Do you think this is clean enough? Come on, get in there. Yes. Before I'm cleaning the windows, I have to sweep them with my broom. Okay, we have to talk about this. Because if you are still watching me clean this filthy Contura, you are obviously in love with me and you have to subscribe to my channel. So just do it now before we continue. So you just saw me dipping paper towels in water, and then I was dipping the paper towels, the wet paper towel, into the ashes. Ooh, I'm really scrubbing that window. Look how dirty that paper towel is getting. It's getting there. Look, you can almost see through it now. Oh, I'm so pleased with my work. Yes. Get ready to clean the side windows in this fireplace. It will be hard because it's a really hard burn mark on this side window. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I'm really getting some elbow grease going here, but the burn mark still won't come off. I have to do something else. As you can see here, I had to go get my scraper and it's working. I think you can call me Cinderella from now on because I'm covered in ashes and might never become clean again. Here I'm showing you one more time how I'm doing it. I'm dipping the paper towel into the water. In the old times we used newspapers for this job, but I haven't got any newspapers because everything is digital. But after I have dipped the paper towel into the water, I'm dipping it in the ashes and I'm going to use that to scrub the window, the second window. Oh, I had to use the scraper one more time because the burn marks were so hard to get off. Oh, I'm soon finished now. I just have to wipe it all off and then I'm done. Hey, you guys, look at how proud I am of my work. You have to give me a thumbs up for this work. I am even showing you how I'm stacking my woods up into the newly cleaned fireplace so that the next time we get back to the cabin, I can just light it all up straight away. And now we have to get rid of the ashes. So, and it's important that it's wet outside and that you make sure that the fire is really out, so it's not any hot ashes. Please take notes of what I was saying here, because you don't want to start a forest fire. Listen to me and make sure that the ashes are cold when you're throwing it out into the nature. So beautiful people, please subscribe to my channel and maybe next time I'll teach you how to change your vacuum bag.